Hi everyone, in this episode of How Do You Do That, we're going to go over adding external mattes when working on Resolve. So for example, I have a matte file here. I want to add dirt and dust and things like that into the picture, and I have a file which was created of actual film dirt. So as you can see here, if I go through and play it, I have it. And now I want to put it on top of this picture of the airplane. So what I do is I highlight both clips, and then I right mouse click on this one, and then we select here the option that says Add to Media Pool as Matte. Now if I look down here, you'll see a little icon next to the musical note that indicates there's audio there, and that little icon indicates that there is an associated matte for this shot. Now if I come down next to the color page and I say, okay, here is the shot that we were looking at, and now I want to add some dirt and dust to it. So what we'll do here is we'll just add a node for this, right mouse click on it, and then as you can see the option here says dirt and dust heavy, or dust dirt heavy, and then this second node appears which shows me external matte. So now all I have to do in order to see it is click on node number 2 that I've created, and now just turn that up the gain, and now you can see there's my dirt and dust that's actually been added on top of this shot. Okay, so for more tips and tricks like this, have a look at the other videos on our YouTube channel, and don't forget to have a look in the comments below for more information about Resolve training. Thanks and have a great day.